Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. So as you might see on the video title, it's really sad news. After 11 years, so sorry, he's already shut down the store, and we'll be talking about and discuss about more information on today's video. But before that, I just want to ask you guys to give the video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified always for new videos. Alright, so most of you guys already heard, and as I told you guys, it's really sad news after 11 years. So sorry, he already shut down the Cydia store, so it's not available, it's not working anymore, and I will be discussed and talking and share some information with you guys to make sure you guys understand what's going on. The main reason behind that and why Soraki already shut down the Cydia store is to protect, and this is for the security for the users and also the developers behind that. So basically what I heard is Soraki working on update on Cydia to update Cydia with a lot of things, and just yesterday I heard from like a couple developers that is when Soraki worked on the last update on Cydia, there is a multiple bugs. So the bugs here is going to be really easy for any hacker to use your account or your purchases, and he can use your credit, and I'm talking here about the PayPal. So who's the people who already affected? And we're talking here that before Soraki shut down the store. So the people affected, those who already using the iOS 10 and below, and I'm talking here about 9 and 8. So most the people, they install Cydia. When they leave Cydia on the device working, that's gonna be make the other hackers to use their accounts, and they can do a purchases, and you don't know about that. For those who already on iOS 10 and below, they want to buy from now on any kind of tweak, they can use a third-party services to purchase for any kind of tweak, because the account, if you already have an account, the account is not going to be work anymore. And by the way, it's really going to be secure right now. Once Soraki remove everything, once Soraki shut down the Cydia store, you don't want to worry anymore about your info, which is I'm talking here about your PayPal account. So is not anymore affected, and you are right now on the safe side. Anyway, so Soraki already talking about that through a Reddit website, which is I will be leaved for you guys in the description down below the link if you want to read what Soraki was talking about it here and why he shut down the Cydia store. But anyway, as I told you, Soraki already made that step ahead to make sure keeps every single one of you guys, and also the developers, which is there is a lot of developers right now, they do that, and Soraki take that step ahead, and he already cancel everything. He already know before about those bugs, so he just try to make everything secure, and he just shut down the store right away. Okay, so to make it clear a little bit more for those who already on iOS 10 and below, you don't need to go right now to your PayPal account and delete everything. This is not actually necessary right now after Soraki already delete and shut down the Cydia store. For those who already on iOS 11, as you might know, Cydia didn't get any update. You can't actually create a Cydia store or account, and so you don't have any kind of info, you don't have any information to scared about it. So for those who already on iOS 11, you will be good to go. But as I told you guys, from now on, if you want to purchase for any kind of tweak, you need to use a third-party services to pay for that tweak. For those who already on iOS 10 and below, they affected, but you can chill out right now. You don't need to care that much about it. It's not necessary to go to your PayPal account and delete the whole thing. Soraki already take that step, and he delete and shut down the Cydia store. Okay, so after all the talk and after all the information, I see there is a lot of people on Reddit website, on Twitter, and especially the developers, they freak out. And I know exactly why they freak out that much and why they're scared. I know there is a ton of information for a lot of people, even the developers for the PayPal accounts and all that. So that's why Sorek, he already took that step ahead and quickly he shut down the store. He tried to fix it first of all, because I see a lot of tweets and I see a lot of talking on Reddit website that Sorek, he already tried to push an update and fix that issue and stop all those bugs. But in the end, what I see, Sorek, he already take that so much fast. The reaction is so fast, and it closed and shut down the Cydia store, of course, because he's scared about you guys, and he's scared about that is a lot of developers and a lot of information on the system. For those who already on iOS 10 and below, they already purchased for a tweak. The tweak still working, is not affected. All those tweaks will be working, and it's gonna be okay. But from now on in the future, if you want to purchase for any kind of tweak, as I told you guys, you need to use a third-party services to purchase for any kind of tweak from now on. So as I told you guys, it's really after 11 years of support and all that kind of stuff from Sorek, it's really sad to hear that. And I hope on the other hand, we will see something which will be really good and better than Cydia, the Cydia, the replacement for Cydia. Anyway guys, this is the most information that I get for you guys in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, once again, make sure to give the video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new video. Catch you with the next one. Peace.